it, dude. You got it. Hit it. Hit the gas. There you go. Hit it. There you go. You got it, dude. Hit it. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on. Right. Here, Thor. Right. So, what I want you to do now. Alright. I want you to go straight through that. Crawl through it slowly. Careful, spray out. Do it again?
No.
You don't?
No.
Was that not fun?
No.
All right. Let's go. Go ride, dude. Go ride around.
Oh.
You want to go play on the park? All right. Drive over to the park. Watch out. Or you can go fast and slow down, okay? Go. Right here. And good. Say deuces, camera.
Huh?
Go hit more bumps and stuff, dude, wherever.
No.
Look, you got all of this ocean. Hold on, don't go. Do not move. Do not move, I said. Sissy's right next to you. She's gonna get hurt. Come here, sis. All right, blast off.
Help me.
Baby.
Huh?
Slow down. Woo. All right.
Huh?
Slow. I want you to crawl. Hit the gas a little bit. All right, good. Ho. Stop. Don't touch that. That's a thorny bush. All right, dude, hang on. Whew. All right, drive out. Careful. There you go. Blast off. There you go. Good job. Climb, baby. You're good. Go. I got you. Go. Climb. All right, go.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, me.
All right, dude.
No.
Hang on. It's on.
No.
Yeah.
Mommy.
I want you to go down there a little bit and then turn around and meet me over here. Cooler if you did. Okay, then no. Go wherever.
Me.
We're not going back there again, bud. Oh, look, they're mommy. Mommy's at the picnic. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I got the dog and the kid. I didn't think that you really needed much help.
I have 2 dogs.